Fam, another day, another vlog here sa Pilipinas. Kasama namin kayo sa bawat araw ng bakasyon, bawat kwento at bawat saya. Kaya tara, samahan niyo kami today sa isa na namang unforgettable experience.
Kasama si Mare, kasawa kong mahal. Araw-araw kwento, simple pero espesyal. Parenting moments, cooking ng Pinoy.
Kung bago ka pa dito sa channel, we are the Ben Fam. Family of love, travel, at Quila moments. Kaya make sure to subscribe, like, and enjoy the day with us. Today is extra special dahil first time ng aking family na maka-attend ng birthday celebration sa school dito here in Philippines. Excited silang ma-experience kung paano ba mag-birthday party sa school dito.
Di yun na malimtan ang silingan kay
Liliong ka na dito ron ha.
Good morning ka Ben Fam. Nandito tayo ngayon sa Albula Village. Ito yung upat. Naka-dirty nito.
Dirty. Doon ang pinaping.
Ito ha. Hi! Morning.
Morning, sir.
Morning.
So, andito tayo ngayon sa Albula. Ako sila ipa-experience. Experience nila. This is Mami's school before.
Kasama namin dito si Gigi. Hindi na siya iba sa amin. Siya yung kasama namin sa bahay every time nandito kami sa Pinas. And today, we are celebrating the birthday of her daughter. At sa school mangyayari ang lahat. Kaya sobrang excited ang lahat ng Ben Fam. Tapos sinabi ko sa aking pamilya na dito ako nag-aral since grade 1 to grade 6. Kaya pinakita ko din sa aking husband yung campus, ang saya-saya nila. Lalo na yung mister ko. Nakikita niya kung saan talaga ako lumaki, kung saan ako tumatakbo noon, saan ako kumakain, lahat.
Ito yung school ko dati when I was in elementary. Grade 1 to grade 6. This is my school.
Mom,
Big changes.
What's the-
Wala na siya nagkaligo na ba? Wala na siya naligo ate.
Mom, what's 12?
Wala na. Nganan. Wild man. Wala kaliguan. Dirty. So punta tayo dito sa birthday kasi ngayon sa anak ni Gigi. So experience natin sila sa mag-distribute ng food. Mandapit. So bayar tang Gigi. This is I think that's not love. Nothing na that one. G, usa na G. Wala na ni G. Nothing na this one. Oy, this is nothing na daw. Old school.
This is where you study? Like here?
Like that.
What's that? Mom, is that your school?
So yeah, this is my school before. But big changes na because have new. Oh, this is nothing. This one before.
What's that?
Ito wala yan dati. That one nothing that before. This is my school also. They make it playground na here. Before this is my home economics. So yan, you will see para hot. Para ma-experience ng mga bata dito. Lang sila, mag-helping lang sila kay Krista. Birthday kasi ni Krista. Nag-distribute lang sila ng food. Always. Always, G. It's
the Philippines?
What's Krista?
She's studying.
So what are we walking here?
Kisay principal dili, G.
Well, why are we walking here?
Ha?
That use ang apelido.
Dad.
Bagong na lang.
Bago. This is the school, guys. Hi, guys.
They're reading hot.
Tilingan, barangay hall. Don't forget to like and Hi, Mom. Good morning. Happy birthday, Tista. Uy, happy birthday. Guys, excuse me, guys. Oh, Mickey.
Thank you.
Hello.
Hi, Darius.
Hello.
Hello, happy birthday.
Thank you.
Happy birthday, Tista.
I am now
Mana yang teacher?
Yan, teacher.
Grade, saan na siya? Grade 4. Dito na tayo sa ano, sa school ni Trista. Yung school dito sa Pilipinas, guys. Meet inside na ka, kaya nag-school.
Na, yung mga kadula ba yan?
Hello! Yeah. Mga fans natin to sa Barangay Hall at sa Albiula. Wala kayong klase, no school?
Dito, ma'am.
Asa man dito?
Contento siya, ma'am.
Kinsa man to?
Ako naka-vlog.
Kay? Nga ba? They sit down, di?
No.
Pwede mag-sit down?
Yeah.
Naghahawi ba na kong silig? Don't forget to like and... They sit down. Thank you, guys. You have no school? No school?
Yeah.
Pwede ito maingkot? Maingkot sa ha? Gano'n naghawig na kong silig? Malilag. Sit down. Ang saya dito, guys. Ang saya sa Pilipinas. Only in the Philippines. Sit down. No park. There's no park here. Yeah, look the guys.
What's that?
Look the guys. Only in the Philippines. Yeah.
Oo nga pala, insert ko dito. Ayan, ang aking husband nakipaglaro pa ng volleyball. Perfect timing kasi wala silang class today, so the whole campus is free. Kaya ang saya lang. Students sharing, friendly vibes, parang bigla siyang naging varsity ang kulit.
Biyahe na pud tanan, kauban ng tawa, wala'y problema. Kay kung bimfa mang kuyog, way kulba sakay ta sa jeep o tricycle, bisa nasa basta joyful.
Wala klase? Okay. Sige. Lucas, ate Lucas. Only in the Philippines. No, you hit the ball. Lucas, out. So, andito na tayo ngayon sa Albiula Village. Yung mister ko naglalaro na ng volleyball here in Philippines. Kabem fam.
Hello, Kabem fam! Welcome to Albiula Village! Elementary School!
Happy birthday! Ayan. Uy, si Pasok. Mamerti po ka? Hello. Mamerti po mo. Experience natin yung birthday dito sa Pilipinas. Okay. Hi, ma'am. Okay ra kung mag-vlog, ma'am. Ito yung teacher natin. Si teacher ganda. Mag-bless yung mga teacher dito. Ano, daddy?
Ha?
Daddy ba? Experience nila.
Go in. No, the parents first. The parents. Go.
Ano na to, daddy? Siya si Trista, birthday niya ngayon. Happy birthday, Trista! From Ben Pam! Happy birthday! Guys, sing guys!
Hey everyone! It's my birthday!
Ang saya talaga ng mga bata. Kahit simple, puno ng tawa at excitement, iba pa rin ang vibes ng birthday celebration sa school dito sa Pinas. At para sa akin, mas special pa kasi nakabalik ako sa school ko after so many years. Ang daming memories na bumalik.
Simple moments straight from the heart. Parenting laughter, lessons we share.
Happy birthday, Tristan! Thank you, Teacher Eileen! Eileen Mia, yan.
Family grows here at Ben Fam. Our journey is true. Here at Ben Fam, we're living with you. Camping nights to life overseas. At Ben Fam, together we find peace. On the road or in our little home, no matter where.
Thank you, Krista! Thank you to the teacher, Teacher Eileen. Si Teacher Eileen, thank you. Sa mga parents na tumutulong, thank you guys. I hope nabusog namin kayo guys. From Quezon.
Fam, we're living with you.
I will interview the
You're
birthday.
1 year older.
I will-
How does it feel?
How's the feeling of birthday girl?
It kind of feels great, but I want to be my younger self again. It's so fun to be young.
Oh, so what do you want to say to your parents, to your mom and dad?
I want to say to my mom and dad, thank you for everything you have gave to me for the entire year.
Wow, so sweet. So,
Make sure you tell them also,
okay?
Yeah.
You
not
say
just for the
thank-
camera.
Okay, you tell them after this, you tell, thank you, mom and dad. Okay? Are you a good girl? Are you good in school?
Yes.
Good.
Mom, we also have so many
No, I don't have
The
to.
Bam Fam is a super great family. They're super kind, and I can't even know how kind they are in real life.
Wow, did you hear that, guys? Oh,
Master English.
wow. Krista's very master in English. Did you hear that? The Bam Fam is a great family. They are very kind. So what do you want to say to Trista? Because today is her birthday. What do you want to tell her?
Happy birthday, Krista, and we appreciate what you give us.
And say thank you.
Thank you. Bye.
How about
What about you guys? What do you think about the school?
Thank you. Happy birthday, Krista. I know you've been so kind. I'll give you a rabbit. Thank you.
What about you guys? You have a message?
You have a message to
Any
the birthday
message?
girl? Oh,
Bob.
what do you want to say to the birthday girl? Come on. We'll say happy birthday. What do you want to say to her?
Happy birthday, Krista.
Yeah, that's it. What do
Happy
you want to-
birthday, Krista. I hope you're enjoying the day. I hope you enjoy the company that you had, and I'm pretty sure the kids inside are very happy. And just make sure you always remember your parents also what they do for you, because they do a lot for you, okay? So don't forget that one as well, okay? But other than that, enjoy your day and make sure you have a lot of fun today as well. And not only just today, but in the year to come, okay?
Thank you. Kinsa pa matong iyas. So for me, happy birthday, Krista. Again, thank you for inviting us, the Bam Fam. So ayan, napaka-enjoy. And be good always, study hard, and make your parents proud. So again, happy birthday, Krista, from Bam Fam. And to the parents of Krista, thank you. Busy ni Gigi. Tingnan namin yung mga SM Butuan. Nilagyan nila ng ganito, oh. Yan. Parang wala namang nakalagay. Grabe talaga itong mga SM Butuan, oh. Yeah, they put orange but there is no senior. Asa man may mananghid, wa man may kasayod, mananghid pa di ay. Because aman, o kana, wala di man pud kay makitaan. Di man pud Akadiyot naman, Bigard. Bisita tabi sa inyo, may katuod. Nandito si Mama Irene ko, guys. Oo, nandiyan po sa Camilla.
Toyo kami dito.
Pero lahi na po mga. Ayan kay Ben Fam, dito tayo sa SM. Hindi pa kasi tayo gutom, so gala-gala muna tayo kasi Friday night daming tao. Yan, Jollibee. So, yun nga pala, meron ng SM dito sa Butuan. So, hindi mo na kailangan pumunta ng SM Davao o Cagayan. Kasi meron ng SM sa Butuan. Daming tao, Ben Fam. Walking muna tayo. Kasi yun nga, hindi pa tayo gutom. Laki din ang SM ng Butuan. Yung kanina pala yun, si Ma'am Irene Kong yun sana, yung nag-organize sa ating wedding vow at saka wedding. Ayan. Irene Kong, kung gusto nyo mag-wedding o this. Ayan. Big Fish, Potato Corner, Storks, ayan. Pinongs, may pinongs din dito. Pero yung Kuya G, walang Kuya G dito mga kabempang. So dito tayo ngayon sa Level 3 Cinemas and World of Fun. Ayan. 7:30, mga playing games. Ayan. Just look lang, you don't need to play. Take the time lang sa World of Fun.
After ng school birthday, kumain kami sa labas for dinner. First time namin dito kumain at nagustuhan ng aking mister. As in, nagulat siya sa lasa at ambience. Thumbs up talaga. Sushi bar. Excuse me lang. Pwede may extra bowl ani lang ha? Pat lang sa mga bata. Salamat. Plastic lang no. Just wait, salam. Have. Napa may isaan nilang no?
Hi guys. One more guys.
Hello guys. That's it only? Hello guys? That's it only ito?
Yeah.
So where are we now?
Mommy, I'm in a big way.
Try natin yung California. The California. How's the California? This one for me. 8 pieces for how much? Cheaper than SM sushi bar. Yeah, try. Okay, wait, the soup?
No,
Try.
Mommy, I'm gonna make
you can eat the. What if you have the?
Hi guys.
I like this one. Plan California.
One more?
I think so. I like this one, guys. I don't know what is this. The
You want
prawns.
rice or soup? One more soup.
I don't want the rice.
Soup?
Maybe so.
I hope that.
Yeah, finish.
This one.
Yeah, this one.
And lami ni siya guys. Oh. Prawns na California. Prawns na sushi. Doon California.
Yeah.
Nami diri karon sa what is this type? What is hotel?
Ben Fam, pamilya sa Australia. 4 ang anak, puno ng saya. Kasama si Mare, kasawa kong mahal. Araw-araw kwento, simple pero espesyal. Parenting moments, cooking ng Pinoy. Van trip adventure, sama kayo. O hindi lang ito vlog, ito'y tahanan.
5 seconds po na. Gutom.
Mama,
Pinimagawan niya po ang
Mama.
cheers.
Cheers. What's this cup?
Wait,
No.
What's this cup?
wait.
No.
Busog na again ka, Ben Fam.
Oh, pizza there.
Cheers pa mga buang. Lation. Cheers ang mga buang lation, mag-away.
Get more coke.
Masarap yung nila. Japanese food dito. Hindi siya hindi siya tama lang yung presyo guys sa SM.
Stop.
Highly recommended for me. So, can you recommend this one? Japanese food?
In the Philippines,
Yeah, in Butuan.
in Butuan, for everything, the price, the food, the quality, at least like 8,
8 na.
8 out of 10.
Except for the
I'm happy with that.
is in
Yeah, and the best one is the maki one, maki
prawns.
prawns. Yeah,
Little expensive than
nah, not much.
California.
Comparison.
Good. Yeah, out of 10, 8.
Okay, you eat, huh? So,
Ano lang sila, hindi ka
You want the chicken?
makita yung
You want the chicken?
store, but I will put the name of their store. Try nyo dito, masarap.
Cucumber. I don't know cucumber.
I think they close 10 p.m.
Decoration.
Highway lang siya dito. Malapit sa Goodyear.
You can eat it if you want.
Soki Diso. Ayan. So andito pala tayo sa Soki Diso Kabemfam. Yan, malapit sila yan sa Goodyear. Tabok lang siya. Yan. Soki Diso. Soki Diso. Ayan, punta na naman tayo sa Soundbox. Soki Diso. The name of the restaurant is Soki Diso.
Yeah, it's okay food.
Soki Diso.
For the price, eh?
Yeah.
Not bad. I want to go here. But I like.
Namin, nagpahinga muna kami. Ang mga bata naiwan kay Yan-An. Kasama din namin sa bahay. Hindi na sila iba sa amin. Kasama na sila sa Benfam. Masaya sila at safe. After namin magpahinga, kami na lang dalawa ng aking mister ang lumabas. Minsan kailangan din talaga natin mag-asawa ng date night. Dito tayo sa Boss Coffee. Ayan. Kahit simpleng coffee lang sa Hideout Cafe namin. Ang sarap ng feeling, quality time lang.
Ano transfer ba mo long?
Ay, wala man ma'am. Dilahi man tagi.
Lahi na, not the same owner. Hindi pala.
Sa SM provincial.
Inyo to?
Isa na tagi.
Okay.
Doctor na taga.
The one Boss Coffee. Is that free?
How much is that one?
Pila bayad ana?
Ah, dili may bigyan ma'am.
Gusto niyo
Because
palit
before I
mo?
bought one, before the Mandawi.
Basi na dahil lo. Among remembrance lo.
bitaw.
Boss Coffee, sana naman. Sa SM medyo yung palit.
Anything else in?
That's it lang for me. Masarap yung Boss Coffee kaysa Starbucks, guys. Promise. The best Boss Coffee than Starbucks. Which you preferred? Boss Coffee or Starbucks? He likes Boss Coffee talaga. Yung Starbucks, ano lang yan, yung mga social, pero wala namang lasa. Yan, meron na tayo. Yan. What's your order day?
Same as yours, but large.
Okay. Most medium lang to.
Medium.
Boss Coffee. Meron din sila sa SM. Dito lang tayo. Yung mga bata doon lang sa bahay. Meron din silang ganito. Yan. Ha? Yeah. Ising good mag-egg.
Habang umuuwi, naisip namin ang dami na naming memories today. Masaya kami na na-experience ng kids ang school life sa Pilipinas. Masaya kami na kasama kayo, Benfam, sa journey namin. Thank you so much for watching another day, another vlog. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. See you in the next one, Benfam in the Philippines!
Yan ang medium nila, guys. Large. Good luck if you can drink all. Medium.
That would be my large.
Parang large. Ka Mr. Large. Small na lang for me, guys. Cheers.
They like it.
What is this?
Cafe mocha.
Cafe mocha.
Like a hot chocolate like.
Cafe mocha. How much this one? Cafe mocha is 185 medium.
The large is 200. Coffee muna kami, Kabempa.